Have you ever wanted to add a social media rotator to your TikTok live stream like this one? Well, if you did, look no further. Today I'm gonna show you how to set it up. It's super simple, so without further ado, let's hop right into it. The best way that I've found that you can add a social media rotator is through Tikfinity. If you haven't already seen my other videos, I've featured this program in a lot of them. You can basically add alerts, you can add goals, you can add whatever you want. It's super simple, it's free, and a lot of people that stream to TikTok use this program, so check it out yourself. There is a pro version with more features, and if you decide to use it, you can use the link in my description for 20% off. And then you can simply download for Windows right over here, or you can use the web app if you don't want to download the program. Once you've downloaded it and installed the program, I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So first things first, what you want to do is open the program itself and connect your TikTok to it. Once you've done that, you will see your profile picture. It's gonna say your username. It's gonna say, click to connect, disconnected. That just means you're now live. And once you go live, it will automatically connect and everything will work fine. You can see everything right over here. So make sure to set that up and then go to the overlay gallery right over here. Scroll down a bit. Like I said, this program has like a bunch of different things you can do to it. I've made a lot of videos about it. So if you are not really interested in this, you can check out everything else. So we want to add the social media rotator. So we simply just go into the customize right over here, and then we can add the platforms themselves. So over here, I've already added 2 platforms, but if I just simply delete them, I can go into the new field right here and then choose whichever platform I want from this list right here. So for example, I want to add an Instagram, click on Instagram, I click on username, I type my username right over here, and then I go to the new field and I just add another platform right there. It's super simple. It's straightforward as it is. So TikTok, I choose TikTok and I put my username right here. And then over there, you can customize your font size, and even how long it is going to display and how long it's gonna pause for. So I set it for 4 seconds, 2-second pause time. That's totally fine. Everything works. Black font color, that's cool. I click on OK. And you can see how it looks like over here. If I like how it looks like, I can simply copy this URL and paste it into my TikTok Live Studio or OBS, depending on what I stream with. So I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So if you wanna add it to TikTok Live Studio, all you have to do is go to sources, click on plus, and then choose link right over here, basically browser source, click on add, paste in the URL that you copied from Tikfinity. And if you want, you can turn on the sound, but since this doesn't really have a sound, it doesn't matter. You can also change the custom resolution if you want. Click on add source and wait a second for it to be added. It's added right here. It's super small, so you can simply resize it, or you can use that custom resolution to keep the quality the same. Place it wherever you want, and you have a custom media rotator widget on your TikTok live streams. Now, let me show you how to do the same on OBS. If you want to add it to OBS, all you have to do is go to the sources, just like you did on TikTok Live Studio. Right click, add source, and then choose browser source right over here. Name it whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. Click on OK, and then paste in the URL that you copied from Tikfinity. Again, you can change the width and height from your custom resolution if you want to set that up. Control audio via OBS if you want to, but since this doesn't have audio, it doesn't really matter. Click on OK, and it will add the browser source right here. It will appear in a few seconds, and then you can resize it and put it wherever you really want. And that's how you can set that up in OBS. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like. It would mean the world, and subscribe. And if you want to see more of my videos, YouTube thinks this one will be perfect for you. So check it out. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.